If you want to learn how to make one of the biggest trending cocktails here in Australia at the moment, keep watching Let's Talk Drinks. Hi everybody, so today I'm going to make a spicy margarita. It's something, margaritas are really big at the moment, which is fantastic. It's been like this for a few years, especially through the venues that I run here in Australia. But the spicy margarita is something that's getting asked for weekly, all the time, which is fantastic. So today I'm going to show you how to make one. Now the thing about this one is I'm going to do a real simple one for you guys, so you don't have to go and buy chilies and stuff like that. We're going to use a chili liqueur, which I'll talk about later. And the first ingredient that we're going to use obviously is tequila. I like using a quality tequila. Today I'm going to use the Patron Blanco, and I'm going to do 40 mils, or ounce and a third. Next up, 20 mils or 2/3 of an ounce of Cointreau, or a triple sec. I love using Cointreau. 30 mils of freshly squeezed lime juice. I squeezed the bottle just before, so 1 ounce, 30 mils. And now a little bit of a cheat. What you can do is you can get some chilies and just press them in the bottom of the shaker. However, I'm going to make one that's really easy to batch for home if you're having a party or in a venue. And what we're going to use is the Angie Camorra Chilli Liqueur. I really love this stuff. It tastes amazing, but we're only going to do 15 mils. If you want to make it a lot hotter, you can add some fresh chili and muddle it as well. But I really like the balance and the heat element of this recipe. We're going to add some ice to the shaker. Give it a really good shake. What I love about using the Angie Camorra as well, instead of using fresh chili, is by using this recipe, or however the millage that you want to add, depending on how your friends or your guests like the cocktail, is it's always going to be the same. It's consistency. Chilies can be different heats at different times of the year and so forth, amount that you muddle. This way you're always going to have that same tasting spicy margarita. I'm going to get rid of the ice because I always chill down my glass. I'm going to do this in a Camorra. You can use it in a cocktail shaker or a margarita. This is just some salt for the rim. You can add a little bit of chili to it as well. Now also for a garnish, if you wanted to, you could do a lime wheel or something like that. I like just a little bit of salt on it. This is the spicy margarita. Cheers. Yum. That salt really makes the cocktail pop as well. The tequila's coming through, Cointreau's definitely coming through. That nice amount of spice there from the chili, the Angie Camorra, is coming through beautifully. I like it a little bit hotter. Keep an eye out, there is a video coming up. We're about to do the world's hottest margarita and we're going to drink it. So, upcoming video. But delicious, perfectly balanced, tasty, not overly spicy. It's a winner. So guys, if you have a variation of a spicy margarita or another margarita, comment in the link below. Please like, subscribe. We're trying to build our channel here, and we'll see you again soon on Let's Talk Drinks.